two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. There are two angles labeled, and one of them is x. To solve for x, use the properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Both x and the 125-degree angle are same-side interior angles. And one of the properties of same-side interior angles is that they are supplementary. So now we can solve an equation. 125 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. We subtract 125 degrees from both sides of the equation. We subtract it from this side to get rid of this 125 degrees, and we do the same on the other side of the equation. Solving for x, we get that x is equal to 55 degrees.